Hi, my name is Jacob Jeunesse. Today is what is it called? The it's the 18th of January 2026. I'm over here in Willem Kruiwagen Street in Acacia, Pretoria, Gauteng, South Africa. Yeah, so this is the company called On Spot Investments over here. So this company is assessing the rabbits that mouse in Acacia, Gauteng, and are busy trying to kill them. So this company is basically trying to assess what is their genetic deficits in order to basically kill them in a certain way. In other words, is they want to instruct the public over here how to kill them, what trees to cut down specifically surrounding my house, what to do, how to hijack my vehicle again, how to make it not a fuel, how to abuse cardiogenic arrest me and stuff like this. So this company is basically a pushing abuse cardiogenic arresting company for the domestic wicked Fat Queen Leonard. It's a useless company that don't help me out with my technical help. It's just a dumb company that wants to kill my rabbits at my house in Acacia, Gauteng. Yeah. So please be warned about this company. They are here deforestating things, and then that's the purpose, basically to kill innocent rabbits in order to deforest certain places.